This is our silver electroplating workshop, captured live at the entrance of the production line. Right in front of us is the fully automatic silver plating line, currently running copper busbars. Parts travel through pre-treatment, silver plating, and recovery sections at a controlled speed of 1.2 to 3.5 meters per minute. The silver layer is deposited from a cyanide-free alkaline, bright silver process, achieving typical thickness of 10 to 50 micrometers as required. Immediately after plating, operators perform online spectral analysis using handheld XRF to verify silver thickness and composition in real time. Behind the silver line, you can see our mist-suppression nickel plating line in full operation, equipped with enclosed tanks and pulse rectification for high-uniformity deposits. Further along is the small parts electroplating line, where components are manually racked before entering the automatic hoist system. All lines share the same pure water system and closed-loop wastewater treatment to ensure consistent process stability and environmental compliance. This is our daily production reality: stable, traceable, and built for high-volume precision requirements.